How to go live on Snapchat. To get started, first of all, open up the Snapchat application on your phone. You will then be taken to the camera screen on Snapchat. On this page, go over to the top left corner and tap on your profile. Here, you can edit and view your profile information on Snapchat. Then, go to the top right corner and tap on the settings icon. Now, you can explore all the options and you will notice that Snapchat does not have a live option. So instead, you can go back and get to the camera screen and capture your photo, then tap on the Send To option at the bottom right corner. And you can either send it to your friends or tap on My Story Public option over here and post the story publicly so that anyone can view it and share it with their friends. So keep in mind that you cannot go live on Snapchat, but you can always put on a story.